Hey, LifeMinute TV. Keep watching, or you'll die. This was a wild experience, wild journey. I think it's dark and weird, but it's also quite funny. And I really enjoyed those moments. So maybe it'd be nice to do something more comedic maybe after this.
What attracted me to playing this character? Well, she's just so unhinged and she's so manipulative in a way that she even fooled me the first time around. I thought that she was going to be one sort of a woman, and then she ended up being someone completely different, and I was just so impressed by her.
I've been honestly wanting to work with her for years. They're just, some actors who have whatever that incredibly visceral, hard to articulate, exciting thing is. It's interesting because she sort of hit this run of horror films, and it's getting a reputation for horror, but it wasn't that specifically. It was just her actor talent. With Alex, there's an interesting additional contrast to him because he does do these bigger studio movies, and he has this sort of like looks and charm to be a conventional leading man. But he also is completely fearless and eager, in fact, to sort of subvert expectations and really go all the way with this. So
he instilled a lot of confidence in us, and he's a very curious director. He wanted us to try new things, and that gave me a lot of confidence in exploring weird and feeling safe. He also leaves a lot of space for the actors to explore and develop our characters.
I think some people sort of conflate making a dark scene with seeing a dark scene. Some of the most disturbing scenes, the most graphic and violent scenes, when you're actually shooting them, are the most hilarious because it's like playing Halloween.
Fighting myself naked to the death was cathartic, quite interesting, I would say. Yeah.
It's really disgusting. You could just sit there